I'm really liking the sound of my bike, but I've had a rattling noise that have annoyed me quite a bit when driving. It usually happens around 40 and 60 kilometers, around there. Under or over, I never hear it. And yeah, I've tried to figure out or locate where this rattling sound comes from. Sounds a bit like something is loose, but haven't been able to figure it out. And then I came across this video from Joa, I hope I pronounced that right, showing that this was a common issue with the Kawasaki W650, and that this rattling comes from the headlights, some metallic parts vibrating on plastic, making this annoying sound. So yeah, I will try Joa's fix and see if it helps. What to do is to unscrew those bolts on either side, holding the inserts. Yeah, I'm gonna tape the inside of this headlight and also on those metallic parts sticking out here, gripping. So I'm using this double-sided tape inside the case, because it's a bit thicker. It might isolate a bit better and also make it a more tighter fit. Then on the metallic parts I'm just using regular electric tape. So I will show you the difference, a ride before the fix and one after. And thank you so much, Joa, for your video showing me how to fix this issue. I will also leave a link in the comments to Joa's channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.